You are now watching Doorbell News.
Looks like she forgot to put the car in park.
I'm sorry, I had to bring my baby. They won't say I don't have nobody to watch him, and I had to get on the bus.
It's part of my policy.
I didn't know that. This one said I got on the bus.
I understand, but I don't allow kids while I'm doing hair around. Period. It's just you. And that's it.
So I'm saying, what I'm supposed to do? Cause
I mean, I don't know. That's not my problem. I just supposed to do the hair. That's all I'm supposed to do.
The bitch roll forward. Collapsing.
What are we gonna do?
What's that? Start moving some stuff out the way for?
Dallas, Texas. These two stopped by saying that they lost their iPhone. Let's see what happens.
Hey, real outside? Welcome to our home.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
My friend was at the bars tonight, and she came home without her phone and her credit card. And I think that you guys have it based on Find My iPhone location.
So, police report has been filed. If you could just come right out and give it to us, then we can drop everything. If not,
That part,
then we can follow through with the police report. But it'd be easier if you just gave shit back, if this is the right house. And if not, my deepest apologies. But I believe it is the right house, based on tracking, so.
we tracked it here. So, if y'all can give it back, that would be great.
Thank you.
If you put that key through that door, I promise you, you're going to regret it. Take them up the street to the gas station. It's a gas station about 1 mile away. Take them up the street. They can use the restroom there.
Yeah. I'm gonna let you get away with this because you my mama.
You
So
have no
we
other
go
choice.
talk. We go talk.
Dog done chase his ass. He done beat him with a stick and fall. Oh shit. Look what's going on. Merry Christmas. Merry oh shit, what? Hey.
Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. That's pretty gross. Might not want to order food delivery after watching that. Calabasas, California. Looks like this mountain lion wants to take a swim.
Alright. No, you can have that shit, man. You can have that shit, man. You can have it. Take it off. Alright. Fuck. Take it off, nigga. You got that. You got that, man? I ain't got nothing else, huh?
Plymouth, New Hampshire. A Doorbell News viewer sent this video in.
Make sure you hit the like button.
Yeah, what can I do for you?
Hey, we're inviting people to church on Sunday. Do you want to come?
No solicitors. Keep walking.
All right, have a good day.
See you later. Wrong house.
Apollo, Pennsylvania. Authorities are looking for these two suspects.
Come get that safe, bitch. What? Come get that safe.
Fresno, California.
Hey, motherfucker, you wanna bring that back? Hey! I see you!
Follow me. Follow. Follow.
Come on, man, get off my porch.
Got the dirty porch, y'all. You a gangster, right? Get off her porch, man. She's always disrespecting my position.
Come on, man, get off my porch.
Hey, we got phone me?
Wait, hold on, no. Why we going in the house?
Come on.
No, go in the house.
I'm telling my mom to come in the house.
You eating my food.
Ahmed.
You eating my food.
Ahmed.
You eating my food.
Okay.
You ate my food. You ate my food. Why is the bag open? Why is the bag open?
No.
Why is the bag open? No what? You said what, bro?
1 second.
1 second what? 1 second what? 1 second what? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. What's your name? What's your name?
Abdul.
Abdel what?
Yeah.
Abdel what?
1 second, please.
1 second what? 1 second what? Give me one reason I shouldn't. Give me one reason. Give me one reason I shouldn't go in your shit.
Sorry, man.
Give me the food.
Fuck me, I swear.
Colorado Springs, Colorado. Your cat isn't even safe. Yeah, they're trying to steal everything in Colorado Springs.
What are you doing?
To be honest, I was gonna take it.
For what reason?
There's no reasons.
Okay, well just please leave, okay?
I'm leaving.
Thanks.
Caught in the act. Get lost!
The fuck?
I hear he's a real estate agent. Meanwhile in Fresno, looks like she got her package back. Good for her. Happy 2026, everybody. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video. You are now watching Doorbell News.
You see anything, man?
I seen a guy in a red shirt run over there.
Where at?
That way.
Yeah, this way?
Yup, he looked like he cut through a house right there.
Show me your fucking hands, dude.
What?
Show me your fucking hands.
What, bro?
No. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your fucking back.
Yes, sir. What?
Put your hands behind your fucking back.
What? What is wrong? Am I being pain or anything? Yeah. What? Are you okay?
420, I think I got him.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here, fucker. Come on, bro. Come here. Come on. You think I'm fucking scared of you, you fucking old ass fuck? Come here.
Hey. Hey.
You think I'm not gonna pick me up? And you can get my gun with me. You got that down, bitch. Nigga switches another kid.
Los Angeles, California. A homeowner catches these guys taking tools from out of his truck. Let's see what happens.
Y'all know y'all a piece of shit not tipping, right? This is why your food get ate.
You know what? I got it. I'm sorry, man. Can you turn the porch light on? It wants me to scan it. Oh. It won't. It's okay. It's okay.
Put them people shit back. Put that stuff back. Put it back. That's why people be fucking y'all ass up now. Y'all stay taking shit from people.
What?
Don't run. Citizen of the United States?
Yeah.
Okay. You got any type of ID? You born here? How old are you?
20.
20 years old?
Yeah.
Any type of ID with you?
Nah.
No? Okay. Where were you born?
Minnesota.
All right. Have a good day. Appreciate your time.
All right. Damn. These niggas pulled up like the motherfucking mafia. Yeah, I'm good now.
Trying to go small too. Keep down the guy. Good as shit. I'm finna get up to go get my deal. Don't make out. Fuck figure.
Shit. Move all your fucking wood. Oh my god, now I need more piss.
Massachusetts. Looks like somebody needs to slow down.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Birmingham, Alabama. Who's this guy?
What's going on, man? You better get the hell on away from here, man.
Well, I said down to Yolanda's house. I told her Yolanda coming to the. I'm sorry.
All right, I'll blow your ass away from here.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Motherfucker walking around here beating my door up.
Oh my god! What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait, cross the road.
St. Louis, Missouri. So this lady hops out of her getaway car, but her getaway car drives off on her. Yeah, that's what you get. That's not your house.
No, she don't feel comfortable. You put your hand in your private area. We don't do that here. You don't feel comfortable. Yeah, she don't feel comfortable. Yeah, she don't feel comfortable. I know this one. Yeah, she don't feel comfortable. Find somebody else.
The owner of this massage parlor said they're under new management, but some of the old clients keep stopping by. Birmingham, Alabama. So this Uber driver comes back and says he's looking for the lady that took his charger wire or something.
Live with you with some dreads. She a nurse.
What's going on?
I may have the wrong house. That's all. But it's a girl.
It's a girl?
Yeah, she a nurse. I picked her up.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna live.
No concern at all for my package. Tulsa, Oklahoma. Check this guy out. Looks like this guy has a butcher knife in his hand. A landlord shared this footage of an eviction.
And I know, and he told me to go to the bank to get proof, and I went in. This is the exact same thing.
Then you have to go through the county building.
And I did, and they just told me to come back to bring it back to let them know that he does not own my house.
No.
I'm doing what they told me to do. They said,
She's trespassing. If she come back up here, take her ass to
he does
jail.
not own my house.
This not your house.
You don't own it either. It's not yours either.
We're done.
The fuck is you talking about?
Make sure you hit the like button.
And I'm gonna get my house back. Y'all gonna keep coming out here.
No, your ass going to jail.
I don't give a fuck. I don't care. And you gonna keep and you will take me to jail. I don't give a fuck. And I'm telling you to your face, I don't give a fuck.
Oh.
No, ain't no comment down because the bitch don't own my house.
I don't know. There's nothing more we can do.
Put me out my shit when you don't own it. The fuck? I'm not one of those. You got the right trick today. See, stop calling me. I don't give a fuck. I'm not when you go over there.
Come on.
I'm right the fuck here.
It's motherfucking 10 o'clock in the morning and she drinking an ice house.
Let me grab this, man, so I don't...
What? I'll get my ready. Get your ready. I don't give a damn. What the fuck are you talking about? Thank you.
Davenport, Iowa.
Davenport police, search warrant! Davenport police, search warrant! Davenport police, search warrant! Okay, we're good. Good. Davenport police, search warrant! Coming. Yeah.
Atlantic City, New Jersey. Check this guy out.
TYG. Open up the door.
This guy got some type of pink blanket on his head or something. What's this guy want?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
It's TYG. Call TYG. Call TYG.
Meanwhile in St. Louis, looks like the Cardinals are taking a bird bath. This guy definitely needs his license revoked.
I saw the whole thing. You saw it? Yeah, I saw the whole thing. There we go. The Nissan was driving by and he ran the stop sign and boom. This guy he hit the. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. You're welcome. Hang out for a few minutes. Yeah. Nah, he definitely. Yeah. He's drunk. He's drunk. Got it. Okay. Let's help him get this. He tried to leave. He wanted to do it. No, no. Stop.
whoever was in this car. I don't even know who's in that car. I'm saying, I don't know. Okay. Maybe it's still in there. Okay. Who else was involved in that? Who was in the other car?
Right there.
Them two?
Yeah.
They were in the other car.
Yeah, they were in the other car.
Okay, good. Yeah, because that's what we were getting ready to say. We're like, where are they?
Yeah, he was driving. The guy in the gray sweater. He was driving. He was the other driver.
Okay.
Pero,
No, tú.
Eran tres, no,
¿Sí?
eran tres, pero yo no sé lo que... Ahí están los muchachos.
El negro, el del carro ahí.
señor, deje la mano para arriba.
Can I try to bring some assistance for me? It's fine, it's fine. All right. That's fine. You know what, we gotta wait for a second, all right?
Vintner City, New Jersey. What a nice sunset. These people are living a good life. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming. Thanks for watching.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Twin Falls, Idaho.
Come to the back door, please! Hello? Hey, is it just you inside? Yeah. Okay. We're in contact with the mail. We got a call that the house is being burglarized.
Oh no, I'm here to clean the furnace and duct system.
Okay.
She told me she unlocked the back door. I was just texting her a few minutes ago.
Okay. Can I get your license, please?
Oh, yeah.
False alarm.
What company do you work with?
Rock Creek Power Back.
Rock Creek Power. Do you have a work truck or anything like that?
Yeah, it's the work truck. It's
The work
perfect.
the one that's out front?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I have 3 police at the back door. Apparently, people thought they were getting burglarized. Yeah. So I will call you back in a minute, Jeff.
Yeah, someone was just worried.
No worries.
That's all we're here for. Someone was just worried. They thought that the house was being broken into, so they just called in concerned. So that's why. Sorry. And
No worries. Give me a
usually we
small
take it pretty
attack.
serious
We're
because
good.
you never know, right?
Yeah.
Like if you were someone that's not doing that thing, right?
I gotcha.
But you have a good one.
You as well. Have a wonderful day. It's the first time that's ever happened. That's what I gotta know.
Away from the door.
That's what I got. I ain't got no
Get away
money.
from the door.
I ain't got no money.
Get away from the door.
Rankin, Georgia police are currently looking for these 2 suspects.
I ain't got shit, bro.
Go that way. That way. Drop your keys, nigga.
I ain't got shit, bro.
This person seems to be in distress. A neighbor shared this footage of this pack of what looks like coyotes scuffling on his porch.
Excuse me, can you please stop? I have kids.
Oh!
So much. Thank you. You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
A delivery driver is seen dropping off a package, but then he decides to take a tip for himself.
Oh, now I get that dough, twin. I don't get no lectures. On blood, I get that dough. And come out this bitch, making these birds. I'm gonna shoot his ass double time. Hurry up, fine, hurry up.
These guys got nothing to lose.
We ain't gonna never have to use them bikes again. Alright, you go down.
Pensacola, Florida. Check them out.
Yeah. Can I help you?
Man.
Can I help you?
Maintenance man. That.
Fucking permission to get in here. I am the owner. What do you mean I ain't give you no permission? Come on. Need you guys out. I don't want you to see you here.
I can sucker punch you if I wanted.
Now what?
You heard me.
Lorain, Ohio. Always watch your back while entering your home.
Shut the fuck up. Open the door. Open the door. Shut up. Open the door. Open the door. He in there?
No,
Hurry up. Where that shit at? You know where that shit at?
I don't have anything. I'm sorry.
Where the pay Tommy keep?
The what?
Your money.
He already took the money. I'm sorry, guys. I can't see.
Yep.
4 Oaks, North Carolina. Check them out. Meanwhile in St. Louis. Atlanta, Georgia.
No!
Meanwhile, in Four Oaks.
Hello?
Hi. I have a question.
Yes.
So basically me and my brother were with my mom and she got into a car accident and she left us here and we can't get back home.
Okay, so what do you need from me?
We need a ride back to Sanford. Sanford, Maine.
Get lost!
Okay, so I'm not able to do it. Can I call someone for you?
Like who?
Who?
I'm not sure. Do you have family or anyone, or is your mom okay?
From up here.
Is your mom okay? You said she was in an accident, right?
We don't know. She's okay. She kind of left us.
She kind of just ran off.
Okay. Okay, give me one moment, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, how's it going, sir?
I already told the other guy I'm not interested. Go away.
What other guy?
There was a guy here from your company. Same logo.
That's a different company.
No, go away.
Oh, we're just doing roof inspections.
Just go away!
Okay, sorry about that. All right.
Meanwhile, in Canada. Looks like this guy's trying to use a key or a bump key or something to get inside of someone's house. Baltimore, Maryland. This man was deemed a hero after helping his neighbors get out of a burning house. Yeah, that's the type of neighbor I'd like to have. Meanwhile, at Four Oaks, these two are still standing outside of this woman's house. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.